Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your financial life, budgeting. Let's face it, money can feel confusing and stressful. Maybe you're wondering where all your paycheck goes, or feeling like you're constantly living paycheck to paycheck. The good news is, there is a simple tool that can help you take control, a budget. In this video, we'll break down the basics of budgeting, discuss different methods, and show you how to create your budget using a free app or spreadsheet. So, grab a pen and paper, or your favorite note-taking app, because we're about to empower you to manage your money with confidence. Why exactly is budgeting so important? Think of it like a roadmap for your money. It helps you see where your income goes each month, identify areas to save, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fall into debt. You might feel like you're constantly playing catch-up, never quite getting ahead. Budgeting helps you break that cycle and take charge of your financial future. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to budgeting. The key is to find a method that works for you. Here are two popular options. The 50/30/20 rule. This method is a great starting point. It splits your income into three categories. 50% needs. This covers your essential expenses like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. 30% wants. This is for fun stuff. Entertainment, dining out, hobbies, all fit here. 20% savings/debt repayment. This is crucial for building your emergency fund and paying off debt. Zero-based budgeting. This method involves allocating every dollar of your income to specific spending categories until your income reaches zero. It requires more upfront work but can be very effective for detailed tracking. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's what you need to do to create a budget. Step 1. Track your income. First, figure out how much money you bring in each month. This is your net income, your salary after taxes and deductions. Look at your pay stubs or bank statements to find this number. Step 2. Track your expenses. Now, the not-so-fun part is figuring out where your money goes. Gather your bank statements, credit card statements, and receipts from the past month. Categorize your spending, rent, groceries, gas, etc. Be honest. Step 3. Choose your method and tool. Decide which budgeting method you want to try, 50/30/20 or zero-based. There are plenty of free budgeting apps available, or you can use a simple spreadsheet. Step 4. Allocate your income. Here's where the magic happens. Based on your chosen method, allocate your income to different expense categories in your app or spreadsheet. For example, if you're using the 50/30/20 rule, allocate 50% of your income to needs, and so on. Step 5. Review and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Regularly review your spending and adjust your allocations as needed. Maybe you find you're spending more on eating out than planned. Adjust your budget to reflect your actual spending habits. Call to action. There you have it. By following these steps, you've created a simple budget that empowers you to take control of your money. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Stick with it, and you'll be surprised how much progress you can make. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your budgeting journey.